Okay, get in the middle.
Well, you're using
Wait a minute.
micro
This
grip.
paddle, move the paddle up. Krista, grab that paddle. On your left hand side.
Micro.
Krista, are you scared?
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on now, when you get
Come on.
Be careful now.
Quan, are you scared?
Get in the middle of the canoe. Get your feet in the middle of the canoe. Get your
They
feet-
both are.
There you go. Get in the middle of the
What are they,
canoe.
David?
They're both scared and ugly.
There you go, right there. Okay.
And gay. And gay. Alright, alright.